With me is Abhay Singh. He is the only India-born MLA in Russia, and he belongs to the Russian President Vladimir Putin's party. He's from Kursk. So welcome to Vion. It's great to again speak to you after a gap of almost 5 years. My first question to you is, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be here. The focus, of course, will be on the summit. But how do you see this visit of the Prime Minister?
Thank you for inviting and welcome to Russia. Not only you, but PM Modi also. Welcome. I think this visit is very important visit, and in this crucial situation in the world politics, all people from every country is keeping their eyes in this PM Modi's visit to Russia. So I think this visit will be very important, and this visit can change bit situation, world situation also.
Okay.
So we were waiting for this visit for a long time. I think we will get very good plus points for whole world.
Sir, essentially, how do you say India-Russia relationship? This is a relationship which has glorious history, but you are a person who represent best of the both worlds in many ways. You're India-born, you made Russia your home, and you're now a proud Russian citizen. So if we can talk about India-Russia relationship.
Of course, Indo-Russian relation is approximately in a very good direction. Not now, but already 75 years, approximately 75 after independence of India. So, and there was never any type of conflict between Russia and India. So, till now, when I came here for studies, for medical studies, it was Soviet Union, but till now, our relation is growing up and growing up. Now, I think it is, we are in this situation that our leaders will decide the world politics. You can imagine. So, this relation is very good for us, both countries.
Sir, your story. You are from Bihar, you're from Patna, you came to Russia, you made Russia your home, and now you are representing the people of Russia in the local parliament as well. So essentially your story, many would like to hear that.
Of course, in 1991, it was Soviet Union that time when I came for my medical studies. I have a dream to become a doctor that time. And, and I wanted to see the changes, the differences between countries. So I came to Soviet Union for studies. I finished my studies. And later I started my pharmaceutical business. After that, I left that business. I entered in real estate business. Later, I started doing politics. So I have got very big support. I am MLA for 2 terms already. This is my 2nd term. When people voted both term, they voted too much for me. I win with a very big lead, very clear lead I took. So I am very thankful for the Russian people who vote for me, especially people who live in my constituency.
So my last brief question about essentially the Diaspora Connect. A lot of diaspora are present here, Indian diaspora, the Prime Minister's address to the diaspora also we know. So how does the Diaspora connects the two countries?
You know, they play also a very major role. Now, Modi ji is coming, so every diaspora, we have got Sindhi diaspora, we have got Punjabi diaspora, South Indian and Bihari Association. They are all very excited, and they will take part to receive Modi ji here.
Well, on that note, thank you so much, sir, for speaking to Vion with video journalist Neeraj Patel, Chilhan Sibal for Vion in Moscow, Russia.
Thank you.